Everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having an amazing day. Today is Tuesday and I actually haven't been vlogging or uploading. I feel like I took a break, but it's only been 4 days since I last uploaded. But I haven't even recorded anything just because I've been taking a break, It's kind of this coronavirus just has everyone kind of feeling confused, like what the hell. I know a lot of people are actually enjoying their quarantine and all that stuff, but to me it's just weird. I don't know what to think. I don't know if I should be scared. In my head though, I've already made it to where I feel like it's just, I don't want to say just a flu because that's not okay to say, but it is a different type of a virus. For example, viruses in the past have killed many more people, and it's sad overall. But I feel like if you do have a very low, if you have a very weak immune system and not, then you should really be worried. Regardless, everyone who is going to stay home obviously should prepare, should buy groceries, that way you can try to stay inside and you won't catch the coronavirus. But I do feel like social media has hyped this up like crazy. I feel like maybe even TikTok has a lot to do with it, because TikTok posts a lot of videos of people buying stuff like crazy, so then everyone else in the world feels like that's what they should be doing, so that's why they go out and buy excessive amount of things. And then there's other people who can't buy things, so I don't know. I feel like the news and just social media in general just hypes everything up a lot, and I think we should be careful. I think we should try to stay indoors, but we shouldn't freak out, because freaking out is what causes all this, to happen. Me and Sebastian have actually been feeling under the weather. We've been sneezing a lot and just feeling very stuffy. So I mean, I was scared at the beginning, but we haven't had any fever. We don't have a severe cough or anything like that. So we have been staying indoors, which is good. We have no reasons to go out. The only thing is, for example, the henna. I do have a couple packages that haven't been shipped out, but I don't want to go outside because even my voice sounds raspy, and I just feel like people are going to stare at me for having a raspy voice, or just sounding sick, and I don't want them to think I'm gonna freaking contagion them, or I don't know. But we're staying indoors. Yesterday I felt like I needed a break from life, so I literally did not clean anything in my house. I did not, well, actually at night I did clean my living room and my kitchen, because that's something that I always feel like I have to do. But I didn't make my beds. I didn't clean up the mess in the bathrooms. I just wanted a break, and that's exactly what I got. I fell asleep super late though. I went to sleep at 1:30, and that's an everyday thing for me, which I need to fix. So today, I'm not even kidding you guys, me and Sebastian, we both woke up at 12 p.m. But Sebastian had taken a late nap, so he didn't go to sleep till when I went to sleep. So that's why we woke up at 12, and we just ate. And then right now it's 2:30 and I'm gonna get to cleaning. I am pretty much just gonna show you guys how I clean. I've done this in the past, but I know a lot of people like to see those kind of videos. And I will clean my room, Sebastian's room, a little bit in the bathrooms and kitchen and all that. But also there is actually a video that I need to edit and post up, but I haven't. So George is an amazing husband, and he surprised me with something, with a beautiful gift. But he didn't think it was necessary to vlog everything, just because he doesn't want to put it out there. But I'm gonna do the best I can to see if I can make a video out of it and then show you guys how he surprised me, because he did record a little bit of that. But I am so freaking happy. I have an amazing husband, amazing. He is so hardworking, and he does anything in the world to make me happy. So I'm so blessed to have him. But yeah, that's a whole other video that I'm probably gonna work on. If not, then I'll see what I do. But yeah, I'm gonna go get to cleaning. Hopefully he gets here kind of early because he does work construction, but he is not off for this coronavirus thing, so he's still working. His company's still up and going, so hopefully that goes good. If he does, if they decide he needs to take off some time, that's good. You know, he does deserve some time off since he works super hard. But other than that, he's still working right now, and hopefully he does get home kind of early. That way he can go to the post office for me and get those packages sent out, because I know you like the last few people who ordered need to get your henna sent out. But I'll go ahead and do that, and I'm gonna get to cleaning right now. Also, if you have any ideas of videos, comment them down below. I did not record the video of the salsas just because I tried going to some stores. Some stores didn't have the avocados. I found stores that were completely empty in the produce, so I don't have like chile serranos that I usually use. So that video is just gonna have to wait a little bit, and yeah, let's go ahead and start cleaning. Help with something else. My package is on hold for my new shipment.
Billing question, delivery notice, or representative?
Representative.
Alright.
Just what I needed. Okay, so I got that all resolved. I actually changed the address because they used to deliver it to my mom's, but since she's not there, I want it delivered here, since I will be home anyway, and it's coming tomorrow. So I will probably have the restock on my website maybe like in 2 days or so. I do like to physically count all the hennas, make sure that they're okay, and separate them, since I did order brown and black. I completely separate them and make sure, and yeah, I'm excited. A lot of people have been asking me for the brown. I haven't used it personally on myself, but I know a lot of people have used it, and I don't think it makes much difference if your hair is like brown. It just kind of lightens it up. But yeah, it's the same recipe, you use it the same way. And yeah, hola, 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 hola. Boom, boom. This kid, like, he turns 2 next month. He no longer wants to give me kisses. Huh, Sebastian? ¿Me das un beso? ¿Me das un beso? Yeah, he no longer wants to give me kisses. He walks around the house with this Minnie and this Mickey Mouse. He kisses Minnie, and then Mickey kisses Minnie, but Sebastian doesn't kiss mommy anymore. He's a big kid. Oh. Sebastián, ¿tú agarraste este jugo solo? ¿Sí? ¿Tú lo agarraste solo? He's so funny. I have them in the pantry, so he goes in there and he opens it himself and puts it in there, and he drinks his juice. But yeah, let me clean now. Diles bye. Die. Die. He says die instead of bye. Diles bye. Die. Yeah, die. Okay. Vente. Die. 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 So let me show y'all. I have a freaking mess. Like, this is a disaster. I have my broom, my mop, my Windex, my napkins that I'm scared to run out of. And then right here I have kind of like a mess, towels right there, mess right there, mess. Sebastian was playing with toilet paper. We barely have any, but he was playing with toilet paper. And yeah, the closet, I don't like to mess with it too much on a daily basis, so I'm just gonna like organize the shoes. And yeah, this is what my mess looks like. So basically what I start with is the mirrors, and then this is just my general cleaning. Like, I'm not gonna go in there and clean the shower and the toilets because I do that maybe like once a week, and I don't need to do that right now. So it's just kind of like organizing. So I'm gonna clean the mirrors, clean the sink, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like after. Okay, so as you guys can see, it is clean. I mopped. I cleaned the mirror. I cleaned all that mess. I swept, I mopped, I vacuumed the closet. So this is clean already. All the towels, I don't know which one was clean or used or anything, so I'm gonna throw them all in the washer right now. So when it comes to my actual room, I like to start off with the bed first. That way I can just get that out of the way. And then I'll start taking things out of here. So like if it's Sebastian's toys, usually I just put them to the front of the door, and then I'll take them to his room after. And then also I always like to have a plastic bag just so I can have all the trash, whatever's going to be trash, I put it in there. And then this is what I'm going to wash. So that's just kind of like how I organize myself. We're supposed to be home right now, but look at this hardworking man. ¿Qué te pasó?
Ripped my pants.
What happened to you?
I don't even know, man. I freaking stood up and my pants were ripped.
Look at you. Aren't you supposed to be in quarantine?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay, so since George is home already, I'm gonna go ahead and package the henna. That way he can go ahead and take it for me, and I'll make him something to eat really fast. I woke up so late today, so I feel like I'm not being productive, but I kind of am. Okay, you guys kind of already know what this room looks like when it's clean, but I am done. This room is clean. Right now it's like cozy vibes here. Whenever it does start getting really hot and it's summertime, I will change all my blankets probably to white just so it looks more fresh, and add some like greenery maybe. I don't have a whole lot like on my little nightstand just because Sebastian grabs everything and it's a mess. But yeah, that's my room, and this is what my door looks like. Okay, and this is Sebastian's room. He decided to leave everything out. He used to be so good about putting his toys back in his little basket, but he's about to turn 2, and terrible 2s are a real thing. So yeah. Okay, so his room is clean, as you guys can see. Okay, so right here what I'm trying to do is I have boxes of shoes. Like they're diaper boxes and they're filled with shoes. Shoes that I might wear sometime. Like these, but I necessarily don't want them in like display in my room. I'm just gonna put them away there. We'll see how it goes. For now, this is what's gonna have to do, because eventually I do want to get a little bench thing with a storage in which I want to put all those shoes at. But for now, let's put them away. It is super late already. Well, it is 8, and I feel like making chicken enchiladas, and I never ever cook this late, but I'm craving them so bad that I'm just gonna make them right now. That way I can also pack them for George's lunch. And yeah, the kitchen was a mess, but I finished cleaning my beauty room. And I do have a video on my channel in which I do have the recipe for the enchiladas, so I'm not going to be recording how I do them here, but definitely I'm going to go ahead and link that one down below if you guys want to check it out. I call them enchiladas. A lot of people call them whole different ways just because the way I fold them like a taco, but go ahead and check it out. They are the best enchiladas, chicken enchiladas ever. So yeah. Alrighty, there is my enchiladas. I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy. Okay, so I just finished cleaning and I also packed George's lunch. Let me just show you guys. He's kind of tired of the whole healthy shebang thing, so I packed him some enchiladas, a PB&J sandwich, a bun, hot Cheetos, protein bar, and mandarina, just so he can feel full, obviously. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get Sebastian into the bath. I'm gonna go ahead and take a shower as well and get into bed. But I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.